Honey, where's your treat? Where's your treat? Get it. It's on To Kill a Mockingbird. Your favorite book.
Originally, I thought it was To Kill a Mockingbird.
To Kill a Mockingbird?
Yeah.
I don't have it.
It's on the book. That's what I was young.
I don't have it.
Oh my God, she's trying to move her hand to get it for her.
Are you licking the dust off of my fingers?
Touch the cookie and put it back.
Oh yeah.
Patty? No.
Touch the cookie and put it back.
Not at this time.
Huh? Honey's invisible.
What? Where is it?
Honey, where's your treat? Why don't you want to get it?
Are you throwing a fit?
Honey. Just getting it. Honey, where's your cookie?
He's throwing a fit. He's pouting.
Where's your cookie?
Are you pouting?
Where's your cookie?
It's on top of an American classic.
Where's your cookie? Honey. Honey.
Honey, where's the American classic? See, is she mad because the treat's on the book or because the book's on the treat?
Both of those are the same thing.
Where's your cookie?
Where is it? Honey, where'd it go? Where is it?
You see your tail curl?
Don't tell me what to do.
You're not the boss of me.
Where's your cookie? Where's your cookie?
Girl, this is so sad.
Don't do it.
I have to.
Daddy!
She was so
She was trying to come over her fear of reading.
And now you can read the American classic.
Oh, yeah, put a cookie right there right now.
No, we have to turn to page 21. No, we don't. Yes, I do. It has my favorite sentence in the book in it.
When did you read To Kill a Mockingbird?
I didn't.
Was he making this up then?
Molasses buckets appeared from nowhere, and the ceiling danced with metallic light. Ha! Fool. I don't know why.
Get it.
That's a random sentence I pulled yesterday. I spoke to the book and that was the
Oh my
sentence.
God.
You don't like that? Learns to read American classics. Are you mad? No, she's reading it to us. Are you reading us the words?
Push the whole book towards her.
Dude, it's like super fast. Dude, no.
She's circling it like she's gonna fight it.
Just yank it, like shaking it towards her. I don't have it. It's so weird. Just yank it toward her and just push it with all your force.
Honey, where's your treat? Where's your treat? It's in the book.
Oh, maybe are you done with that page? You're done with that page. Watch this.
Don't lick the book.
Stupid.
Honey,
Stupid.
where's your treat?
Where's your treat, honey?
Honey, where's your treat? Where's your treat? Where's your treat? Where's your treat? Just move the cookie towards the, like, down a little bit.
can do it. You can read. I.
Where's the treat?
I can do it. Look.
Tiny.
I can do it. You can do it.
Woof.
Roof. Don't work at the American Classic.
Woof.
Roof.
He's so confused.
Honey. Honey. Woof. Honey, where's your treat? Honey.
She looked at you like you were going
Woof.
to do it.
Honey. Woof.
You're funny.
Someone give her the treat.
No, we gotta do it in order so that she looks to us. All right, me, Patty, Mom. Ready?
Okay.
Go. Arf, arf,
Woof.
arf, arf,
Woof.
arf, arf,
Woof.
arf, arf.
You gotta wait your turn, Patty.
Arf, arf.
She's so confused. Did you just say fucking need the treat? What is wrong with you, dog?
I think that it's.
And now you couldn't read the American
I
Classic.
think that what happened was Honey saw us barking, and she realized that there are bigger problems than treats and books, such as people barking like they're dogs when they're really people.